Good morning, everyone. My name is Chebrolu Bhuvan. We are discussing the chapter 10 Mensuration. Okay, in the last class, we had discussed about perimeter. Okay, we had discussed about perimeter. So, let us recap perimeter once. So, what is the perimeter? Okay, what is a perimeter? A perimeter is the perimeter is the length of the boundaries, or it is also called is the distance covered along the boundary, forming a closed figure when you go around the figure once. Okay, figure once. So we have a park in the shape of some shape. Okay, so the measure of the boundaries is called as perimeter. Okay, so in the perimeter, we have some figures to be learned. Some figures to be learned. The first figure is square. This is a square. The property of square is fast recap letter square. The property of square is all sides are equal. All sides equal. Okay, so let every side be A, 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 A. So what is the perimeter? Distance covered by the boundaries. That is A. This is the formula of square. Next we have discussed about rectangle. The property of rectangle is opposite sides equal. Opposite sides equal. So this is length, breadth, breadth. So perimeter is L plus B plus L plus B. That is 2L plus 2B, 2 into L plus B. Okay, this is the formula of finding square. And the next shape that is going to discuss is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. A, A, A. All sides equal. So the perimeter is A plus A plus A, 3A. Okay, these are the main three shapes we have to be learned in order to find the perimeter. So next, the today's topic. What is the today's topic? The today's topic is India. The today's topic is okay. The today's topic is area. So what do you mean by area? The area is the measure, inside measure. Okay. See the square feet. Now we are buying a house. So in that we will be telling how much square feet is this. Like that we will be measuring it. That is something known as area. The amount of surface enclosed by closed figure is known as area. Amount of surface enclosed by closed figure. Okay, what is area? What is area? The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. Okay. So now we have a park. That's the school in the shape of this. So there's the area. The area, the surface, the amount of surface enclosed by closed figure. So this part, how much will be this part? That is simply called as area. So how to find area? The mainly in the finding area also, we have only two main two main shapes in order to learn. So first, how to find area in a graph sheet? Let us see. Okay, how to find an area in a graph sheet by counting the squares. Okay, see now like this we have, and we have a shape. Okay, we have a shape. We have a shape in this. Like this. Okay, so now we have to count the full square. We have to count the full squares and then half squares and then quarter, more than half. First we have to consider full square. So if we have a full square, the area of the square will be 1. Okay, if we have more than half square, more than half, more than half square, you have to consider it as 1 only. If we have exactly half square, exactly or little difference means we have to consider as half area as. If it is less than half, if it is less than half, then we have to consider as 0. The area we have to consider as 0. Okay. The area we have to consider as 0. Okay. See. Now, see, the full squares are 1, 2. So, the full squares are 2. The area will be 2. 2 plus. Next, more than half square. We do not have more than half squares in this anyway. So, let us go to the next. Half squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 4. That is 6. That is 6. We have to unit as square units. This is the unit. Square units we have to write. Okay. So one more figure, let us see. Then you will be understanding it. Okay. Okay. Now they given figure as to be like this. Like this I have given the figure. Like a leaf. Okay. So how to find the area of this? We have to find this fully covered squares. We do not have anywhere the fully covered squares. So next, half covered square. So this is half covered. This also half covered. This also half covered. Okay. So we have this also half. We have 4 half squares. So 4 by 2. Next, more than half squares. This is more than half. This is only 1. We have more than half. So then we have to consider it as 1. Less than half, we have 1. 2 plus 0. 2 times 2 plus 1, 3 square units. Okay, 3 square units. Okay, this is the way of finding the area by using the graphs. This only will tell me this graph. So next, let us go to the shapes. The first step we have to learn is square. Okay, we have to learn this square. So we know square all sides are equal. Area of square is A into A. That is the formula. Okay, that is the formula. Let me write it. Area of square is A into A. The A represents side of square. Side of square. The next shape we have it as length. Area will be equal to L into B. L into B. So these are the main shapes we have to be learned. Okay, so what is the area of square? Area of square is side into side and area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, now let us see some sums. Let us see some sums. Let us see some sums. Okay, so let us see the exercise. In that, the first question, see they have given as find the areas whose sides are 3, 4, 12, 21, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 2 meter, 70 centimeter. Okay. See, now they are telling us they have given the area of sides as 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 12 meters, 21 meters, 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers, 2 meters, 70 centimeter. So area of rectangle is we have seen as length into breadth. Okay. So length is 3, breadth is 4. 3 fourths are 12 centimeter square or square centimeter. Okay. Okay. See, they have given the area of rectangle as length is 3, breadth is 4. So they are asking the area. That is 3 into 4, 12 square centimeter or centimeter square. This is the unit. Okay, and the second question they have given us the area of square whose sides are 10 centimeter. What is area? A into A, that is 10 into 10, 100 centimeter square. Okay, then next they have given length and breadth. That is easy question. The area of rectangular garden has 50 meters long, and area of rectangular garden which is 50 meters long is 300 square meter. Find the width. Okay, very easy. They have the question as C. Length is 50 meters and area is 300 square meters. They're asking width. So length into breadth equal to area. We want breadth or width using same. So breadth equal to area by length 300 by 50. That is 6 6 meters. Okay, the next questions all are easy. Okay, okay, and the last 11th question. The 11th question, split into shapes and do the following. That one I will be explaining the problem and you will be understanding it. Let us take the second question there. Okay, they are given as 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, all are 7, 7. Okay, like this, let us divide the shape. Okay, let us divide the shape. So if this is 7, this is 7, this is 7, then obviously this will be 7. Okay, obviously that will be 7. So, what is the area of this square? 7 into 7, 49. Area of this square? 7 into 7, 49. This is a rectangle. For a 7, here is 7, here 7, here 7. So, what is this length? 7 plus 7 plus 7, that is 21. So, area of this rectangle is 21 into 7, that is 147. 147. So, what is the total area? 49 plus 49 plus 147. Okay, 49 plus 49, 98 plus 147. 245 is the answer. Okay, 245 is the answer. 10, 19, 1, 245 is the answer. And this is the concept of area. Okay, that's all. This chapter is ends. Okay, and this are the in this chapter the main topics are perimeter and the area. The perimeter, the main shapes are square, rectangle, and equilateral triangle. And if they given the more than four sides like pentagon, hexagon, octagon, nanogon, like that. If they given the word regular before, then all the sides are equal. So then the perimeter will be the side length into the number of sides. And the next concept we had seen about area to find the graph. In the graph, fully square will be having area as 1. More than half will be having area as 1. The half, exactly half or little less than half will be half. The area will be half. And the less than half will be having the area is 0. Okay, this is the concept of finding in graph. And next in area, we have only two main shapes, square and rectangle. Square, the area is A into A. Rectangle area is L into B. Okay, thank you. If you like my channel, subscribe, share and like my channel. Please. If you have any doubt in the exercise, you can post in the comments below the YouTube. I will be answering for the questions. Thank you.